Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I just want to show you the aftermath of me hitting a deer, doing around 42, 43 miles an hour. And this is where the impact happened on the left side. And this side didn't get touched at all. And no hood damage, no headlight damage, no A-pillar damage, except for the interior. I think the panel popped out, but side mirror is good. Even the top of the roof is good. But I'll kind of pan so you can kind of see from the front here what it looks like. And you can still see the hair of the deer embedded into the little cracks of the glass there. So I'll just kind of pan. But yeah, it just bounced off the windshield, and those deer are very resilient. It just dipped out afterwards. So most of the impact is right here. I'll push down on it, it's really soft now. Let me lift this up. And I got a quote on the windshield. They looked at it, and basically I think it's around $560, which I thought this windshield would be at least $1,400 or more. So I'll go ahead and open up the passenger side. There we go. Some of the glass is in the door handle there. And this is where it popped off. It's just a clip holding it. But I'm gonna leave it like this because we're gonna have to take this off and this piece off to remove the windshield. So this is the inside part. Glass got all over the place. Glass got all over here on my mats and on the seats. A little bit on that one, not much. And down here, and that's pretty much it. I'll try to pan over here on the inside part so you can see the windshield. And I'm definitely counting my blessings today because it could have been much worse. I was thinking about a scenario where it just came through the side, driver's side, and just came through and hit me. Also, if it had hit this side, I wouldn't be able to see anything because you can see here, if I'm driving and it happened on the driver's side, it'd be much harder to see. I'm trying to drive back home. So here it's nice and clear. And also if it would have hit over here, it'd probably damage the PDR camera, which is housed right there. But let me zoom into this corner. There's actually like a little hole. So there's a little hole right back there from the glass breaking. And the speakers didn't get damaged. It did push down on it, but easy fix for the windshield. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to see some more footage before I get the windshield replaced, just comment down below. But please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.